finished up at Camelback Mountain. It was so fun. I'm so tired. I pretty much complained the whole time.
It was not fun.
Okay, well, it was like really uneven surfaces and it was pretty much like rock climbing. And I really don't even like hiking that much. Like, yes, I know I'm like really into fitness and I don't even like hiking. He's giving me a look. Oh my gosh, guys, I have so much to catch you up on, but before I begin, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Callie and I just wanted to make this video updating you guys because I just feel like I haven't talked to y'all in so long, even though it really hasn't been that long, but I've been traveling for the past week and I really just wanted to give you guys an update on my hormonal acne that I mentioned in my last video, how I make money online, traveling and where I went and why, and then also my workout and my diet things that I'm doing lately, because I did make that strict 10-day video diet 2 videos ago, I think it is now, and y'all had some questions on that, so I wanted to answer those questions. But with that being said, go ahead and hit the subscribe button like always if you're not already, so you can see me every Friday. And then with that, let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so for the first thing I'm going to talk about is my hormonal acne. I just touched on this in my last video, like very briefly, and then I didn't realize how many people actually struggle with it. I had one girl reach out to me on Instagram and she said that she watched my previous video and was kind of going through the same exact thing, but I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a background on my acne journey, and I wanted to make this channel as helpful to you guys as possible, and I wanted to just document what I am doing to treat my hormonal acne, and then that's going to be like later on because I am still currently treating it. You probably can't tell right now because I have makeup on, but I just wanted to document my journey, and I wanted this channel just to be helping you guys and to just tell you guys what I am doing and how I am treating it, just in case you guys are going through the exact same thing. Okay, but first things first, I want to get into my acne story. Okay, so I am 20 years old right now, and I started getting acne when I want to almost say like 14 or 15. It started whenever it all starts. In your teenage years, you start getting acne before high school. It sucks. We've been there. If you haven't, lucky you, I'm very jealous. But by the time I was 16, I went to the dermatologist to get it treated. I have been on Accutane 2 times, and if you guys know what Accutane is, it is a very powerful acne medication that is said to treat your acne. Well, I've been on it twice, and look where I am. Okay, so it did help. I don't want to say it didn't help because it definitely did help for maybe like 3 to 4 months following my last dose of it. They say it's supposed to clog your oil glands, and then people say they have like miracle results and never get acne in their life again. So I was so excited to go on this, even though it's a very intense medication. I was so excited to go on it just because I really wanted to get my acne treated. I was pretty much just over it and I wanted it gone. And plus I was in high school and you wear makeup every day, and high school is just high school, and I wanted it gone. So I went on it the first time and it helped. I was on it for almost 9 months, I want to say, and that's a long time to be on Accutane. Like, that's a super long time. And I went off of it. I had clear skin. I still had a little bit of scarring, but I did have clear skin. This is not an Accutane video, so I'm not going to go that much into it. And then a year later after that, I went on it again because I was experiencing a lot of acne, and at that time I was really just pissed because I thought I was gonna have clear skin and I wouldn't have acne ever again. But got acne, went on it again for almost the same time frame. That's more than people usually go on it. So I went on it again, it helped, but then 4 months after I had the last dose, I had breakouts again. So I've been to a couple different dermatologists, and pretty much the past couple months I've been getting hormonal acne a week before my cycle. And right now I'm just trying to treat myself naturally and organically because I just find that really people don't really care unless it's yourself. So I have taken matters into my own hands because I've been struggling with it for so long. I feel like I just want to heal myself. So that is what I'm going to be kind of doing on the next couple videos. If you guys see more acne videos, I want to find what works for me and I will share it if something does work really good, but I'll keep you updated on that. Alright, going along with my acne, I want to start talking about my diet and give you a couple of updates on that. But you guys might have saw my strict 10-day diet. I will link it right up here if you haven't seen it, but that diet was definitely not maintainable. I was just doing it for vacation. I get more into detail in that video, so go watch that. I'm not going to talk about it too much, but right now I'm just focusing on getting that summer body, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and intuitive eating. That is like my main things that I like to focus on while being on a diet. But honestly, my diet is not going to change too much. Obviously, in that strict diet, I was eating less than 25 grams of carbs a day, which I'm not going to focus too much on carbs anymore. I'm just going to focus on eating healthy and maintaining that. But I wanted to give you guys a little update on that diet. My diet shouldn't really be any different, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update, and that is what I'm going to be talking about more in future videos, and that is what you guys can see in those future videos. And then going along with my diet, I want to talk about my traveling the past week. And obviously when you're traveling, you're out of your normal routine and your body kind of freaks out. You don't really have all your daily staples that you would normally have. So that's kind of what happened to me with like my acne. Like my face started freaking out, and then my diet was different. I mean, obviously you have to live life when you go on vacation. Like, life is about food. Like, enjoy yourself. Don't restrict yourself too much because you'll just end up having a bad time. So honestly, I just wanted to get back on track, and that's what you guys will see. Alright, so what you've probably been waiting for is how I make money online. Okay, I can go on and on about making money online because it's something I am so passionate about, and it's something that I really like because I love having the freedom of being able to make money online. And you probably clicked on this video because you saw that title, so I will stop blabbering and get into how I make money online. Previously, I've done a video on why I started blogging, and some of you guys may know about the blogging world and some of you guys may not. So I don't know if you follow my Instagram, but if you don't, you definitely should. But I'll link that video of why I started a blog up here somewhere because I want you guys to go check it out if you're not familiar already. But I do make money from my blog. If y'all want an in-depth video of how I make money blogging, just leave a comment below or go ahead and like Instagram message me and I'll tell you more about it. But honestly, I make money through a couple of different things online. I do have a regular job, but this is my side hustle, and I am so excited to be able to pursue YouTube and blogging because I am so passionate about it, and I'm so passionate about helping other people that I dipped my toes into the entrepreneurial world and started this. And a lot of you guys have asked me how I make money, and my three main ways I make money are, so I make money doing affiliate marketing through my blog. Affiliate marketing is pretty much when you earn commission over promoting a product. Okay, obviously I only promote products that I know and I genuinely use and genuinely love, so I'm not going to go promote a product that I don't like on my blog. But I do promote products and use affiliate links that I actually like. Also through Instagram, I do make some money through sponsored posts. So I've talked about this on a couple different posts on my blog, but I really don't take that many sponsored posts because I just feel like it looks spammy whenever you're trying to build an authentic and real audience. So there is a potential to make money through a sponsored post, but I'm going to tell you that is not my main source of money. And then the third way I make money online is through freelance design and writing. This is my favorite way to make money because I love the freedom of it, honestly, and it is the best. So I use a program called Fiverr. It is Fiverr, and Fiverr is a good freelancing marketing. It's honestly a good freelancing website for all niches. So pretty much right now I am focusing on writing and design through Fiverr. I want to expand my audience and build a work with me page on my blog if you guys wanted to get my advice and like blog audit if you're starting a blog or just that kind of thing. So be on the lookout for that. I'm sure I'll mention it if I do start it, but I want to expand more on freelancing because I like it that much. If you guys want more information about making money online, I actually write about it on my blog. I'll leave it down below. It's always linked, and you guys can click through a couple of those blog posts if you guys are interested and aren't exposed to that as much. I do write about making money online. And that is all I have for you guys today on this updates video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not already, always make sure that you are subscribed. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I hope it was super helpful to you. But I'm super excited for the upcoming videos that I have planned for you guys. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next Friday. Bye!